How to change the battery in a Renault Clio MK5 2019 onwards. All you need is a small flathead screwdriver. In the end of the key there is a small tab where you can insert the screwdriver. Simply lift and the cover with the badge will pop off. To remove the battery, there is a small slot in the top. Just insert your screwdriver and the battery will release. This is a 3V CR2032. To replace, have the writing on the battery facing up. Insert at the bottom and just a little push will locate the battery. Simply then just replace the back of the key, just with a firm push until you hear a click.